The institutions have lied to you. They've told you rules of behavior when it comes to trading and investing that just decimate your portfolio. In this video, I'm going to level the playing field. I'm going to give you insights which could literally change your financial future. Let's run the numbers. I'd like to talk about trading and investing. Having a look at this positive price action, this green, it looks really good, doesn't it? And it would suck so many people into the market. But however, it's an institutional trap. The institutions tend to bid the price up only to have it reverse and for people to sell. So typically what occurs is people buy high and sell low. I'll give you another illustration. If you look at this particular price action, you can see the price really took off, but it couldn't maintain its structural integrity. It broke down. This is a failed retest. The retest would require a higher high here, and it just didn't eventuate. That meant it was going down to lower structural levels. What is the moral of this story? If you're getting sucked in on the green, you're going to make losses. In the 2010 film Skyline, there was an alien invasion, and basically, if people looked at the light, they were done. I'm going to show you something that I think will really resonate with you about what happens when you look at green candles. Okay, get ready.
What is that?
What happened?
It just disappeared.
The further we get out of the city,
once you look, it grabs hold.
To trade correctly, we can't get sucked in on the green. We need to make sure that the price is interacting with structure correctly. If it's not maintaining structure and doing structural failures, it will fail typically all the way down to lower structural safety nets. I hope that little snippet was really interesting to you, because if we think about it, if we just get sucked in on the green, and this is very normal, people just say, oh, it's going up. Fear of missing out, FOMO, get in, it's going to the moon, oh no, it's going to a structural level. And if it fails on those structural levels, it's coming right back down again. This is why I say, don't be afraid of missing out, because generally you never miss out. Price is always moving in a wave between structural levels. If you know where the structural levels are, you're fine, you're safe, because you'll know how structure is either holding the price or the price is failing. This is what it's all about inside financial markets. It does take time to read structural levels. And it also takes time to get emotional control. A lack of emotional control will yield a very negative result. You'll get in when you should be getting out, and you'll get out when you should be getting in.
Once you look, it grabs hold.
There are definite strategies to employ when buying on red and selling on green. You see, you don't want the green to take hold. You want the red to take hold. And this is just what people cannot do. They can't do it easily. You have to unwire and unlearn what you have learned. Green does not mean go. Red means go. And when it goes red, observe the structure. You can see the red doesn't mean go here at 58,297 because it cut through it. Does it mean go here? No, it did an underside retest. It just literally came up, went down, and here. What about this 57,419? Absolutely. And we're getting a very steep cut over there, but we're at least getting positive momentum inside the market. This is why we place orders at or around SLs or Stanfield levels inside the market. And when you have negative price momentum, the lower the levels that you buy at, the better. For example, if you're looking right here, let's just say you're in the market when the Bitcoin was just coming up to over 58,297, you would have your level order in at 57,419. It would look something pretty much like this. As price was going up, your order would be down there, and boom, you got it. It would fill, and you're already in profit. In a negatively biased market, don't get too concerned with getting too close to price. It can burn you.
Once you look, it grabs hold.
This is the way we get into the market as professional traders. Investors do something quite different. They just buy at a particular point and they hope there's a bull market so that they can sell at another point. But because they don't have timing, they typically ride the up wave and ride the down wave again, just cancelling out any gains that they had. That's why it's vitally important to know how to time the market. And you can see timing is everything to a trader. You want the red to take hold. Getting the red to take hold requires buying on red and selling on green. This is a completely different way to do things. And it's literally not taught anywhere except inside our community. We also go long at spot, so we know our structure and we are patient. We can even place an order as price goes like this all the way down there or even lower. I'd really like to help you out with your trading and investing. Please leave any questions that you might have for me inside the comments. There have been some really good comments recently, and I want to start addressing those. For example, I have $5,000. How do I put it into the market? Or another one is, I'm just no good at trading. I just can't figure out how to do it. This particular video is especially designed to help people who feel like that. When people say they're no good at trading, what are they doing? They're basically buying on green and selling on red. Because the green takes hold, just like in that Skyline film. That's why I wanted to put it in for you. What does this basically mean? If you buy up here and you sell down there, you are not a very effective trader. But you are a normal human being. We're just told, when it's green, you should go. When it's red, you should stop. This is really normal. Actually, the traffic lights, everything is designed to show you go on green and stop on red. What you need to do is to move beyond this kind of thinking into a structural-based thinking and understand that you need patience with everything. And many thanks to Tales from the Man Cave for this great graphic. What a talent! You literally have to train your mind and your brain to obey Rule 621, and that's not easy to do. Buying on red and selling on green, that's not easy, but it's the secret of success. And in order to do it, you must short-circuit your emotions, your natural emotions, which say go on green and stop on red, or buy on green and sell on red. We must move towards the exact opposite behavior. And that's what we stand for as a global family. We know the market's rules, and the market's rules are very emotional. I hope what I've shown is that green doesn't mean go. Buying on red, selling on green, or borsog is your secret weapon. I hope this video helps you to understand that FOMO and acting on fear is against your self-interest and will result in losses. Hopefully from now, you'll just remember that clip and don't be a zombie running into the green light. Have a great day or night ahead, my friends, and Kate and I look forward to catching up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.